Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about communication in the workplace and how important it is to listen and follow directions. There's basically two types of communications, verbal and nonverbal. And verbal is face to face, or if you're using a phone, or if you are writing using words, and that might even be text messages or email. Nonverbal are things like eye contact, your posture, your personal appearance, and timing. So if you are like laying down in your seat or you're staring off into space, that is giving the impression that you are not really listening. And that is types of nonverbal communication. Barriers to communication means the message is not clear. They do not understand the message. They're either not listening or they may even have a lack of language skills. So sometimes, even though you are putting things out there, people cannot get the true meaning. Something that I find kind of goes along with that is a lot of times on Facebook or social media when people post things and we read this maybe in a voice in our head that's much different than the person intended. Getting the message across, always use the appropriate tone when speaking. You need to make eye contact, use appropriate body language, and make sure your audience is ready to listen. When you are listening, you must be actively listening. And I've got a little video more that will go a little bit more into detail about active listening. But when you're actively listening, you are, your mind is open, you're not interrupting, you're watching, you're listening, and you're really focused on what the person is saying. Following instructions, the key elements are very similar to listening. Make your eye contact. Attempt to visualize exactly what the speaker is wanting you to do. It's important you could even take notes, nod, and let the speaker realize that you understand, the message. So basically, that's what listening and following directions is.